Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have Dorian, Invest 91L, Invest 92L, and Invest 93L, which Invest 93L has formed today, not formed, but it has formed as an invest, and basically, Fernand is right there because it just is. Fernand might form as there or as a different spot, which I predicted on the thumbnail. But the most important thing we need to cover on first is Dorian. So Dorian has maximum sustained winds 180 miles per hour. This is very catastrophic, and it is right now hitting the Bahamas. 180 miles per hour, 913 millibars. That is very strong, and it's broken like many records. This is very scary. I think this is actually pretty bad. This is just bad for Florida and the East Coast. Now, since the storm might spread out this far, I think it's a possible hit to New Jersey. But let's see about that in a couple of days. So it's movement west at 7 miles per hour. It is moving so slow and is rapidly intensifying. That is pretty bad. Now it is expected to stay as a Category 5 until tomorrow. And then tomorrow it will weaken as a Category 4. And then we'll go on and on and on and on and on and on. But since this storm might spread out this far, it might affect the rest of the East Coast later on. Just to say, this storm is not making landfall. It's just going to affect lots of parts, but it's not making landfall, but it's still going to be catastrophic. So, there are hurricane watches and hurricane warnings in the Bahamas and for Florida. For Florida, tropical storm watches right in that little lake in Florida and the east coast of Florida. And we have tropical storm watches and hurricane watches. No, we have warnings there, actually. So, guys, this is actually going to be pretty bad. It's Advisory 33. And we have now entered a new month. Welcome, everybody, to September 1st. Yay. And guys, we have Category 5 Dorian. Catastrophic. Very hurtful to people in so many ways. This is going to be very intense. Now we have Invest 91L, which says a broad area of low pressure associated with a tropical wave is located just south of the Cabo Verde Islands. This system has become better organized since yesterday. Environmental conditions appear conducive for additional development during the next several days. The tropical depression is likely to form by the middle of the week, while this system moves generally northwestward across the eastern tropical Atlantic Ocean. Heavy rainfalls is possible over portions of the southern Cabo Verde Islands during the next couple of days. An interest on those islands should monitor the progress of the system. So formation chance through 48 hours, which is 2 days, medium 15%. Information chance through 5 days, high 80%. Sorry, I was reading slow. I just have a little trouble pronouncing these things, and sometimes I skip sentences by accident. And it says an area of disturbed weather is located several hundred miles southeast of Bermuda. Some gradual development of the system is possible during the next few days while it moves slowly northward or northwestward. So formation chance through 48 hours, which is 2 days, low 20%. No, low near 0%. Formation chance through 5 days, low 20%. And we have Invest 92. So it says another broad area of low pressure is located over the south central Gulf of Mexico. This disturbance is producing limited and disorganized shower activity. Some gradual development of the system is possible during the next few days while it moves slowly westward across the southern and southwestern Gulf of Mexico towards the coast of Mexico. So formation chance through 48 hours, which is 2 days, low 20%. Information chance through 5 days, low 30%. So guys, this storm might be Gabrielle, and the other one, Humberto. Look at that. Look at that. The eye is starting to... Oh, that's a glitch. But look at that eye. That's just very dangerous. Let's pray for all those Bahamas people. The people who live in Bahamas. And so they're getting hit by the storm right now. And so hopefully stuff is going to happen. But hopefully no one dies. And yeah. In the Eastern Pacific, we have Juliet, which is expected to become a hurricane. And its maximum sustained wind 60 miles per hour, movement northwest at 14 miles per hour. So this is moving very fast, and it's expected to dissipate. The last cone is 6 a.m. Friday. So, yeah. Now, as you can see, guys, this storm looks pretty powerful and very scary. We have some clouds, just like a lot. Yeah, of course. And expected to... Actually, it might affect the rest of the East Coast. For example, the TABD model shows it actually making landfall and then possibly affecting New Jersey and Pennsylvania and the rest of those states. Some models predicted just going over Florida, but I don't think that's right. And a lot of models predicted it as a Category 4 state, but now a lot of models predict it as a Category 5. So guys, Invest 91L. It's starting to organize, but it's still very disorganized. And nothing much shows, just a tropical storm. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and thank you for watching this whole video. And if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And once again, we welcome the new month. And for my all new subscribers, please hit that subscribe button once again. Hit that like button and comment some weather or some suggestions or just anything. Not anything. And For all you returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button and comment. And guys, we have reached 183 subscribers. Thank you so much, everyone who supported my channel. And yeah, guys, bye.